What is the primary function of a router in a network? A. Broadcast traffic management. B. MAC address resolution. C. Packet forwarding. D. Physical layer connectivity. Answer: C. Packet forwarding. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for logical addressing and routing? A. Physical layer. B. Data link layer. C. Network layer. D. Transport layer. Answer: C. Network layer. What is the default subnet mask for a Class C IP address? A. 255 no pointer. B. 255 me 255 mero. C. 255 mil 255 255 nero. D. 255.255.355.355. Answer: C. 255 me 255 pu 255 no. Which TCP/IP protocol is responsible for resolving domain names to IP addresses? A. HTTP. B. FTP. DNS. DHCP. Answer: C. DNS. What is the purpose of ARP, Address Resolution Protocol? A. To resolve IP addresses to MAC addresses. B. To resolve MAC addresses to IP addresses. C. To assign IP addresses dynamically. D. To authenticate network devices. Answer: A. To resolve IP addresses to MAC addresses. Which IPv6 address type is used for communication within the same subnet? A. Global Unicast. B. Link Local. C. Multicast. D. Anycast. Answer: B. Link Local. What is the maximum transmission unit (MTU) size for Ethernet frames? A. 1500 bytes. B. 576 bytes. C. 68 bytes. D. Mainland 24 bytes. Answer: A. 1500 bytes. Which device operates at layer 2 of the OSI model? A. Router. B. Switch. C. Firewall. D. Hub. Answer: B. Switch. What is the purpose of DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol? A. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. B. To assign IP addresses dynamically. C. To manage network traffic. D. To encrypt data transmission. Answer: B. To assign IP addresses dynamically. Which protocol is used to manage and configure network devices remotely? A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. SSH. SNMP. Answer: C. SSH. What is the purpose of ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol? A. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. B. To manage network traffic. C. To provide error reporting and diagnostics. D. To encrypt data transmission. Answer: C. To provide error reporting and diagnostics. Which type of network address translation, NAT, allows multiple private IP addresses to be mapped to a single public IP address? A. Static NAT. B. Dynamic NAT. C. PAT, Port Address Translation. D. NAT64. Answer: C. PAT, Port Address Translation. What is the purpose of VLANs, Virtual Local Area Networks? A. To provide physical segmentation of a network. B. To improve network security by isolating traffic. C. To enhance network performance by reducing collisions. D. To manage IP address allocation dynamically. Answer: B. To improve network security by isolating traffic. What is the primary function of the transport layer in the OSI model? A. Encapsulation of data into packets. B. Routing of packets between networks. C. Error detection and correction. D. End-to-end communication between hosts. Answer: D. End-to-end communication between hosts. Which networking device operates at layer 1 of the OSI model? A. Router. B. Switch. C. Hub. D. Firewall. Answer: C. Hub. Thank you for watching CyberTrainer. Like and subscribe.